This is group 2. We are presenting our coursework. The question was connect C# to MySQL database. It should insert records, delete and update records from MySQL. This is the interface for our project. The name for our project is called Student Registration. It has a name, reg number, contact, save button, delete button, update button, view button, search button, and then data grid view where our data is to be displayed. In the code, we created an SQL file in our library and named our project as MMM. And here we coded the SQL connection between the SQL and the C# application. We are having here the button of save. It is saving the data that has been captured in the system or in our system, and where we shall be inserting the values, 3 values, that is the name in text box 1, text box 2, it is having registration number and theory, contact, and we open here connection and we close the connection between SQL and the C# application and data. And here we declared an execute no query. And in a message box we are having that has been saved successfully, just in case data has been successfully saved, it will display that. And we are having the delete button. It is used to delete data from our system or from our database, where we are selecting from the database called student, and we are using the registration number to delete data from our system. And if it is deleted, the successful message will be displayed. So we are having here the con open and con close. They are just closing and opening the connection between. We are having the update button. As we want to update either name or contact or registration number, we shall use the update button, and we are having here the open and execute no query and message box to show that data has been updated, and a content close that closes the connection. We are having the view. So this view button, again, we are having the SQL command which is used to connect again to the database. So we are selecting from the student as our database, and here we are having the connection. This connection is just SQL connection between the database and the application. We are having the open and close query that we use to close and open the connection. We are having the data table. So this is our database where our data, like this is our data table where the data is stored, and we're having the grid view that displays the data that has been captured. We are having here the search button. So this search button is just used to search either students that have been registered, but here in this case we are using the registration number as our. We are using the registration number to search or to view those people that are in the database. So we're having the con, that is for opening the connection and the close, and data that has been entered will be viewed using this from the database using the grid view. So this is the grid view that is going to be displaying our data that has been captured, all entered, and we are going to debug. We are going to start our system to show that it's working. So this is the system. So we are going to capture data, all details of the student. So we are going to register, for example, our student called Nakato. now we are going to put the registration number as 666. We are going to save. So we are going to put the contact 0750. We are going to save that data. So that has been successfully saved. So we are going to use the delete button to show that delete. So we are going to view using registration number. Again, we are going to use registration number to delete. So in such we are getting Nakato. So if you want to delete, we are going to delete to see whether the delete button is working. So that has been successfully deleted. So we are going to view to see whether that has been deleted. So here there is a clear indication that that has been deleted, and we are going to update Namneme Rita. We are going to get her registration number. We update using the search button. So we are going to put Mbaga's, shall save. We are going to put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then we are going to save. Other data we can leave it as the way it is. So that has been successfully saved. So we are going to use the view button to see whether data has been updated. There is a clear indication that has been updated. So that's how the system works. Thank you so much. This has been Grace Mbava's and Namleme Rita. We submit.